Well, good morning. We're here in San Antonio. Drove here from Big Bend Park yesterday. We're going to ride the river trail, or otherwise known as Mission Trail. We rented some e-bikes from Blue Star Bicycles. Nice folks there, so check them out. We're hoping to ride again tomorrow. It's supposed to be about 70 degrees today, Fahrenheit. We were planning on a 35-mile ride down to Mitchell Lake and back. These bikes don't have that type of range, so we're gonna maybe go a little less and come back and maybe pick up another bike. They said we could do that and then go up into San Antonio downtown Riverwalk area. So come along with us. It's a beautiful trail. We've done it before. The river's low right now because they're cleaning the river walk through town. It should get bigger in a bit. This is all part of the flood control part of San Antonio, and the river should get bigger from this point on down. These bikes are city cruisers, and kind of nice to be able to have a pack in the front, a rack, and just kind of cruise along. They're single speed, so they're fine for this trail. I wouldn't want them on hills though. With the sun and warm weather and plenty of water in the river, we're treated to great wildlife viewing. So Julie and I were commenting it's much greener this time. Last time we rode it, I don't remember, I'll have to put it on about 5 years ago. Just beautiful, lots of wildlife, but an incredible trail. If you're on the west side of the river, you have to divert through a park here for a little bit, and we'll be back towards the river. On the way back, we'll stay on the east side. Virtual convention up here of birds on this dam. So it's a little confusing. They point at two different directions for the mission Espada, and now you're on the road. Well, as you can probably guess, there's like 4 missions along the trail, so it's quite the highlight of the trail. We missed Mission San Jose on the way down, so we'll catch it on the way back. We're going to hit 3 more on the way back towards, and we're going to go on the other side of the river if possible. But they're pretty cool. But the really tiny churches, it's kind of, every time I go in them, I think, wow, they are small. So we've gone 10 miles, we're going to head back, and maybe past the restaurant. Our batteries are still above halfway, but don't want to chance it. We're going to see our second mission of our trip here. I think it's the San Juan mission, but you have to do about a half-mile out and back to see it. Well, that was a cool mission. The church there was much nicer, but they're all so tiny. I guess there just wasn't a lot of people in each of the missions. And we'll go on, and I think we have 2 more missions to explore, and that'll be it for the ride. We'll probably, Julie's battery's down to 2 bars, so mine's still hanging in at 4. So might have to switch bikes if we get to that point. So now we've crossed over to the east side or north side, I'm not sure, of the river for a little bit, and then we'll cross back over and go to Mission San Jose. So we finally got to the Mission San Jose. This is probably the biggest one as I remember. Somehow we missed this trail coming towards the thing. It would have saved us about 1.5 miles of riding. Well, it ended up being 23.4 miles. It's a beautiful ride here in San Antonio. If you come here, bring your bikes or rent a bike and go check out the Riverwalk bike trail or the Missions Trail or the River Trail or whatever you want to call it. Until our next adventure, we'll see you, and thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate it. We enjoyed an excellent lunch and some good beer at the Blue Star Brewing Company. If you go to Blue Star, check out the Smokehouse Grilled Cheese Sandwich. I'm still thinking about it. We headed out the next morning. It was about 20 degrees Fahrenheit cooler, but it was a beautiful sunny day, and we headed up the San Pedro Creek Greenway Trail for a bit. It turned out to be a little nondescript. It was a beautiful bike path, but then we headed over to see the Concepcion Mission and check that out since we hadn't been able to see it the day before with the bike that ran out of battery juice. We enjoyed wandering around downtown San Antonio on the Riverwalk. We went out to some meals and enjoyed those, eating outside in the beautiful weather. We also went over and saw the laser light show that they have on the cathedral just outside of downtown, and that was really something to see. San Antonio is a place we really enjoyed, and it's hard to believe it's been 8 years since we've been there. San Antonio is definitely a place to go and enjoy some warm weather in the wintertime and do some bicycling. We really enjoyed the River Walk Trail and wish we'd been able to explore some of the other trails in town that we'd heard about, but with just having rental bikes, we were a bit constrained. Hopefully we'll get back with our own bikes. The rental bikes were a bit of a mixed bag. They were cruisers, they were nice. They only had maybe a 20-mile range thereabouts. It made things hard for us. Hi there, thanks for watching, and if you liked our video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us share our content with the world. Also, we love it if you comment. We like hearing from you. Also, consider subscribing. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel so you can stay current with our latest adventures. We have a lot of great stuff planned for the rest of 2026, so you want to be able to see that and not miss it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you.